चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
बहुत खुश हूँ।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे यूपी की जनता को, क्या कहना चाहेंगे मैम?
मैं अपनी यूपी की जनता को ये कहना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने बहुत ही विवेक दिखाया और मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा गर्व अपने यूपी पे है। बहुत खुश हूँ।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे यूपी की जनता को, क्या कहना चाहेंगे मैम?
मैं अपनी यूपी की जनता को ये कहना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने बहुत ही विवेक दिखाया और मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा गर्व अपने यूपी पे है।
Ladies and gentlemen, let's go straight into the discussion right now. And I want to make a point here. You were mentioning Narasimha Rao government, 1991, 240 seats, 244 seats?
Less than that, 200 something.
220.
220.
And they got the support of external parties.
Yes.
They had a fantastic 5-year term.
Yes.
They brought in economic liberalization. They
Yes.
handled the Latur earthquake.
Yes.
They made Western overtures.
Yes.
They strengthened the nuclear weapons
Re-established
program.
relationship with Israel.
Re-established relations with the West. So, my point is, we are heading for a very significantly stable government. Now,
Also on
Yeah, okay,
both
great.
UPA 1, UPA 2 had less than 200 seats, Congress party.
yeah, so I mean, I'm flabbergasted, and now at this Congress claiming moral victory. I had Priyanka Gandhi say, I am very happy at our performance in Uttar Pradesh. What? How? 5 seats? 5 seats, Sudhir Dada, what's going on here?
Absolutely.
5 seats you get in Uttar Pradesh and you're celebrating. And you got the whole Lutyens media jumping behind you for what? And I've got graphics on the screen. Suprashta, please look at this. Congress says we are going to take moral victory. And my question is, let's go slowly through each graphic here, viewers. And I'll get responses out here. Moral victory. BJP 240. Congress 99. Moral victory, Uday Dada. What's this? Your first response to that. What's the moral victory here, ladies and gentlemen?
While the recovery is significant,
Yes.
the kind of tom-tomming they are doing is totally unjustified.
It's pure tom-tomming. Suprashta, my
Because-
second plate here, Congress on its own.
On the contrary, it has given space to SP to develop.
Absolutely. My second point to Subrashta, Congress is today 143 seats behind the BJP. Yet they are claiming victory. How do you read it? Subrashta. It's floating in double digits.
I
It's
think
floating in double digits. Yes, Subrashta.
I have always maintained that till the time the Gandhi Parivar is at the top of leadership in Congress, they are not going to let go of this arrogance very easily. The very fact that they are unable to recognize that they are nowhere in the reckoning to form a government and still gloating about some kind of victory goes on to show a lot. If they were really serious about the people of this country, they would have talked policy right now. What they are talking right now instead is the politics of this entire scenario. Please understand, even politically, BJP is going to form the government. The next 5 years are not going to be UPA. It is going to be NDA.
Yeah.
So whatever it is, I think also in terms of the kind of reactions that one is getting from the BJP, first of all, as citizens of this country, I need to tell as a citizen of this country who is aware of my politics, I want to tell
Precisely.
the BJP, congratulations.
Yeah.
And please sit back and reflect.
And
But do not let your body language be so low in front of the camera and in front of the opposition that you're not able to, formulate the kind of alliance that you want to. You're still the single largest party. You're still somebody who has all the negotiation tax up your sleeves. So get it, negotiate well with the regional party. The regional parties will not listen to the Congress because Congress today has won 38 seats, is leading in 61. BJP has won 94, is leading in 145 as of now, as I look at the Election Commission figures right now. So who is on a stronger negotiation plank?
Yeah.
And I think the body language of the BJP and the Congress should reflect this kind of, learning.